If you've ever needed to save paper, reduce waste, or simply print a document more professionally, learning how to print on both sides of A4 in Microsoft Word is a really useful skill. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to turn on double-sided printing so you can print duplex documents without any confusion. This is perfect for reports, assignments, booklets, handouts, and everyday office documents. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tips just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the Word document you want to print. Once your document is ready, go up to the top left corner and click File. From the File menu, choose Print. This will take you to the Print Settings screen where you can preview your document and choose your printer. Next, make sure the correct printer is selected. If you have more than one printer available, double check that you're choosing the one you actually want to use. This is important because not every printer supports double-sided printing, so selecting the right one can save you time later. Now look through the print settings area. You should see an option that says print on both sides. Click that option to enable duplex printing. In many versions of Microsoft Word, this setting may appear as print on both sides manually, or a similar duplex option depending on your printer. If your printer supports automatic duplex printing, Word will send the pages to print on both sides automatically. If your printer only supports manual duplex, Word may prompt you to reinsert the pages after the first side prints. Either way, the process starts with choosing print on both sides here in the settings. If needed, also confirm that your paper size is set to A4. This helps make sure the document prints correctly and doesn't get scaled in a way you don't want. After that, take one more look at the print preview to make sure everything appears the way you expect. Once you're happy with the settings, go ahead and click Print. Microsoft Word will then send the document to your printer using the double-sided setting you selected. If your printer is set up for automatic duplex printing, it will handle both sides for you. If it's manual, just follow the on-screen instructions carefully so the second side prints correctly. And that's it. You've now learned how to print on both sides of A4 in Microsoft Word. It's a simple setting, but it can save paper, make documents look cleaner, and help you work much more efficiently. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.